Today's recipe is rohu fish masala curry, without adding tomatoes. In a mixer jar add poppy seeds 2 tablespoons. Black mustard seeds 1 tablespoon. White mustard seeds 1 tablespoon. Ginger ½ inch. Garlic 7 to 8 cloves. Green chilies 4 pieces or as preferred. Onion 1 piece medium. Add little water into it. Grind the ingredients into a smooth paste. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Black pepper powder 1/3 tablespoon. Garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Mix them well. Make a spice masala paste. Keep aside. Rohu fish 500 grams. Sprinkle some salt into it. Sprinkle some turmeric powder into it. Coat them well. Marinate for a few minutes. In a hot pan add mustard oil 3 tablespoons. Gently place the marinated fish into the pan. Fry them in batches. Shallow fry the fish from both sides. Fry until it becomes golden. Transfer them into a plate. Keep aside. In the same oil add mustard oil 1 tablespoon. 5 spices ½ tablespoon. Add spice masala paste into it which we have prepared earlier. Saute them well. Cook till the raw smell evaporates. Add water to make gravy. Gravy should not be thin or soupy. When it starts to boil, add the fried fishes into the gravy. Coat the fishes into the gravy. Keep it in a medium flame. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. Again cook for a few minutes. Turn the sides of the fishes. Again cook for a few minutes. Turn off the flame. Rest for 10 minutes before serving. Serve it hot along with steamed rice. Rohu fish is rich in protein, low in fat and moderate in calories with a pleasant taste. Try out this recipe to surprise your family members and guests. And share with us your experience in the comments box. Watch out more videos on tasty Bengali dishes from the playlist.